Whoa. Let's go.
Premises 187. Remember the name? Young Nugget. Premises 187 on a warpath. Threaded through the metal like a bloodbath. South London start, I'm already gone. By the time you hit the bridge, I'm in insulin time. Gridlock City, I just carved my name. White lines, red rage, that's my lane. If you don't move over when I'm coming.
Top man. So yeah, thank you for tuning in. You're watching Premises 187. Move, you fucking bean shoot. Fucking human question mark. Fuck that light. Whoa, look at that shit. Whoa, don't come back. Fucking hell. Someone's out to get me. Waving around. What the hell is that guy doing? Blindfolded, baby. Blindfolded. Not in the S&M sexy gimpy way. Dopey cunt. That's just annoying. Trying to enjoy my cornering experience. Some doofus lot literally fucking dribbling. Seen sunlight for the first time. Get off the fucking pedestrian crossing. Goober. Fucking wanker. Come on, man. You don't belong in the third lane. Oh no. Why? Oh, look at this. Look at this.
Watch the machine nugget as I flick a by. Don't do the cue, I don't do the wait. I redraw the map when I split through the gate. You call it aggression, I call it a flow. You're a passenger in life, I'm the one on the go. The name's in your mouth when you're stuck in the stall. I'm the one you wish you were when the city hits a wall. 187, I'm the glitch in the grid. Doing all the things that your license forbid. South London coast, but I'm north by the hook. By the time you check the plate, I'm a page in a book. White lines, red rage, the city's a vein. I'm the adrenaline shot, running through the main. If you're blocking the flow, then you're part of the sludge. You're a nugget, bruh, only the road is my judge. Ipsum rain to the Islington glare. Every junction knows I was there, keep your air.